All right, what's up, everybody? I know a lot of you are familiar with Canva, but I want to show you how to add some extra fonts that may not be in Canva. So some of you may know the secret to beautiful and elegant and wonderful designs is the fonts that you use in the lettering. So if you got terrible fonts or your fonts look like everybody else's font, you need to know how to add some extra or new fonts to Canva in order to make your designs pop out and look a lot better. So I'm going to show you a way that you can add new and additional fonts that you have chosen yourself to Canva so that you can make the designs that you know look great for your client. So I want to help you out with that. So let's get right into it. First, I want to show you one of the places where I grab my fonts, and that is 1001 free fonts. So, and the reason why I like this particular one is because a lot of the fonts that are on here, you don't have to pay for, and you don't have to give rights and all of that kind of stuff. Licensing is the business when it comes down to digital. So anyway, let's look in here and look at some of the fonts. Christmas just went by, so I'm just use this as an example. And let's say that you like this. I'll use the first one, that you like this font. So you see here, you download the font, and so I'm going to download it here. I don't know if you can see the Christmas zip on my screen here, but and then I'm going to show you where to get it in Canva. So if you're in Canva and you open it up and you hit the text box and you go down here and you put in the heading, let's say this right here, where you see the font titles are right here, you click on that, and then there's a place down here that says upload fonts. So you go ahead and you click there, you upload the font, and you find it on your computer, which I can't find it. I just downloaded it. I don't know where I put it. Okay, let me do it again. All right, so I downloaded. Oh, okay. The reason why I can't see it is because it's in a zip folder. So let me go here and open it out of the zip folder. Extract it. All right. So right after I extract it, I try to delete the zip folder because I don't want to have those extra files on my computer. But if you click on it right here, I don't know if you can see this, but these are the .ttf. Those are the files for the extra font. And so there's a license here that you can read that tells you about this, and it says that this font is for personal use only. So that means that you're using them for your particular product or project, whatever you're making. And then what you have to do at this point is, once you have it open, let's go back to Canva. You hit upload a font here, and then you go here to find it, and there it is, the Christmas. Click on that, and then you upload these fonts here. Boom. And then you confirm the upload, and you see it's uploading. There you go. That's how you do it. For more information like these, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Prayerfully, hopefully, we can build a relationship and you begin to purchase some of my products that I have, that I'm creating for you, and you can journey on with me, because I got so much to give. God has blessed me with so much information about how to do all of this digital type work. Hopefully I can be of some service to you, and you know that I really truly love doing this. God has given me this gift, and I just want to say God bless you and Happy New Year to you. Thank God for you. Amen.